Hi guys, Alicia here, your close to my heart independent consultant, and I'm here today with another Workshop Your Way layout. This is the Fresh Air kit. This is the third layout. So I have two other videos up plus a kit prep video that I can link to down below for you guys. So I'm laying it on my pieces, and then movie magic, look at that. I added little post-it notes with the numbers and letters on all of them because I didn't have enough coffee this day, and that's what I needed to get this done. So now I can just follow along. When it says put down 3A, I'm going to put down 3A, etc. So now I'm just lining up this paper on my 12 by 12 paper. I'm using my paper mat in the back, has inches and measurements on it, so that makes it nice. Line things up properly. Although I'm not opposed to just eyeballing everything. Using my Tombow tape runner to adhere everything. You guys, I'm trying to keep everything so straight, but I'm pretty sure it ends up crooked in the end. I struggle with those straight lines. And in these kits, Close to My Heart provides little photo place holders, which I love because I never have my photos printed or even picked out, let's be real. So I like that you can put these down, and then I know what size photos, what orientation of photos I need once I'm all done. I also don't print out photos very often, so I'll make a bunch of pages. I love these kits. I just make a bunch of kits and then go and get photos printed all at once instead of, doing a couple photos here or there. And when I glue down the photo placeholders, I don't put very much tape on them. I just do a little tiny bit. That way they're easy to remove if I want to, or you can just leave them there and they can act as a photo mat for you. Now I'm tying a little decorative knot on the green burlap ribbon, and you're gonna see I cut the wrong ribbon because I didn't measure twice, cut once, like you're supposed to do. So I am able to save it and make it work, but you should always measure twice, cut once. I learned my lesson. And you guys, I was feeling pretty lazy. I used the tape runner to adhere the burlap ribbon. The tape runner is a little bit wider than the ribbon though, so you'll see I use Close to My Heart sells this really cool rubber adhesive remover eraser thing. That's not the proper name. I'll link to it down below with the proper name. But it's really neat. It's like a pencil eraser, but for tape runner adhesive. Very handy. So I don't know if I actually saved time by using the tape runner to adhere the burlap ribbon, but I didn't have to get out the wet glue. Then I'm going to use a glue dot to adhere my little It's not a bow, my little knotted burlap ribbon flourish embellishment. Ta-da! Now I'm going to get out the complements for this kit, and it comes with some sticker sheets and some really pretty chipboard pieces, but on this page I'm only using, oh, I think I'm lying. I think I used stickers and chipboard pieces. So here's a sticker, and I'm trying to get it on the page but without sticking it to the photo holder because I want to be able to stick a photo down. Here's some more stickers. And then this sticker was too long, so don't be afraid to cut your stickers. I'm going to be able to use the rest of this piece on the other side of the layout. So cut them to fit what you need. And I'm using one of the little, it's not quite chip, I guess it's chipboard, really thick cardstock. I'm using some 3D foam dots to pop that up, give it a little dimension. Here's another of the pieces. Oh, and I cut some journaling strips from some of the scrap paper that was left over. So we'll get those adhered down, and this half of the layout is almost done. Using another 3D foam dot to pop up that star. Oh, and then I remembered the kit also comes with these really cute wooden embellishments. So I'm going to put some of those on. And I'm going to use glue dots to put them on, but the glue dots are a little big, so I just kind of roll them between my fingers to make them the same width as the arrow. And I found that easier than trying to do the wet glue on them. They're just so small. The wet glue, I just can't get it on there without it smooshing out the side. So there was layout 1, and now we're going to move on to the second part of the layout. So this page is a little bit more awake now. I didn't need all the little post-it notes, I don't think. And so I'm not using the measurements on my grid anymore. Now I'm lining it up with the page it's going to sit next to, because I want them to line up when they're side by side in my scrapbook. So now I have everything lined up so I can remove that first page. Oh no, I guess I'm going to keep it there a little while longer. There's still more stuff to line up. This one's a very linear layout. So again, I don't use very much tape when I'm gluing down those photo holders, placeholders, because I want to be able to easily remove them. Or if I decide to use them as a photo mat, I can add more glue later. Now I'm adding the burlap ribbon, and this one I don't have to do a decorative knot on, so I won't cut it too short. So again, I'm just using my tape runner to adhere it because I'm lazy. So I got that stuck down. I'm going to use my adhesive remover and then trim up the end so that it matches the length of the paper. I don't worry about folding it over or anything. It'll be in a page protector, so I don't worry about it fraying or anything. Now I'm getting out my compliments, and I'm going to cut out some of the stickers so that I can leave the backing on half of it, because you'll see it's going to go over a photo placeholder, and I don't want it to stick to that. I want to be able to stick my photo under it, so I'm going to trim up the backing sticks so I can still slip my photo under there. I'm using that long sticker again, and I'm just going to cut it to the size I need it. And I'm attaching this embellishment with some 3D foam dots. And my little son with me if you hear any giggling in the background. I love these 3D foam dots. Gives everything dimension. Some more of these wooden shapes, and I'm using the glue dots, and I just roll them between my fingers. I'm only sticking one glue dot on it so that I can still get my photo under there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.